Hi! Welcome to AgriEuro's YouTube channel. First, we will explain the product's main features. Then we will walk you through the assembly steps, making it easier for you to assemble the product on your own. Please note that AgriEuro is the only e-commerce allowing a full supply of spare parts for the entire life of your product. We offer full support for both repairs and service thanks to a Maxi repair shop on site or through one of our 400 partner service centers scattered throughout Europe. Now, let's explore our product key features. The Ribimex Pila 16 battery-powered sprayer is designed to deliver high performance in gardening and agriculture, powered by a 20-volt, 2Ah battery. It comes with a charger operating at 220 to 240 volt, 50/60 Hz. The full charging time is 1 hour, ensuring continuous use without frequent recharges. The sprayer features a charge indicator with a voltmeter, allowing for battery status monitoring. The working pressure is adjustable from 0 to 3 bars via an easily accessible variator, providing optimal adaptability for different treatment needs. The start-stop switch has 3 positions 0I2 for practical operation control. The cart is equipped with 2 150mm diameter wheels and an adjustable height handle, making it easier to transport across various terrains. The polypropylene tank has a 16-liter capacity and is removable from the cart. It can also be used as a backpack sprayer with the included straps for added comfort during manual use. The steel telescopic lance extends up to 109 centimeters, allowing easy access to difficult areas. With both standard and Ribimex weed control nozzles, featuring a 360-degree adjustable flat spray, product distribution is optimized. Now for the product assembly guide. Visit our official website AgriEuro and check out our offers. Click on the link in the description below to learn more.